Hi Aqua friends, I'm Steph Toogood, AEA International Trainer based in the UK. The Mature Moves series continues with Mobility Matrix. This is mobility for all the joints in the body and specifically the joints that we need to ambulate well. This is a total prescription to help our mature students to age well and to function into old age.
Segment 1 is the longest segment, taking every major articulation from the ankle up through the knee to the hip joint. The spine is mobilized segmentally and the movements continue through the shoulder to include the elbows and the wrists. So now we're taking one side of the body and dorsiflex and point. This is so essential for the aging body. The ankles stiffen and give us all sorts of problems. So there will be quite a lot. Anyone that's had any knee issues, the knee only does flexion and extension. It does nothing fancier than that. And so we need to move on to do another part of the body. We've done the ankle, the knee and the hips. Now what about the spine? So we're going to undulate the spine. Now this is the rolling of the foot. If you look at that, it looks at the way we start to walk. We strike with the heel and we roll onto the toe. And here's the power pops. Watch the toes pointing as they come up. You're just pushing off the ground. Remember, we need power to walk. We can't walk if we don't have any power in our body.
This video has 5 segments. However, interestingly, the exercises for functionality, gait, balance and activities of daily living are intrinsically linked. You will be able to take from each element and make this your own. But as I show the exercises, each segment will have a very specific focus.
The 7 primal moves are squat, lunge, push, pull, twist, bend and gait. These moves focus particularly in sit to stand and step, lunge and reach. So it's an essential skill to be able to turn safely. So many people tell you, I was only twisting, but I was getting up off of a chair at the same time. So the rotation came when the body was loaded and did a little bit of damage. The use of the progressively challenging stances of squat, lunge, tandem and single leg offer many possibilities to practice fall prevention in a safe environment, trying to stay stable and challenging our balance with our arm movements. Now we have changed to transverse for the shoulders. You can probably see how hard it is to balance doing this. Segment 5 brings together many of the movements previously practiced. The more mature body prefers to move with small steps and with a wide gait. We can't always walk in a straight line. Life isn't forward and back. It's full of lots of different shapes and patterns. So we're now lunging on the diagonal.
These eclectic movements have many variations and progressions and can actually be changed to suit all fitness levels. They are shown to you as very suitable for the more mature population, but you can use your anatomy and physiology knowledge and get in the pool yourself and try and change them up to suit your group. The full video and notes are posted on fitmotivation.com.